Welcome. This is Engage New York, Module 4, Lesson 23. This is the problem set debrief. All right, fill in the blank. You're supposed to use the numbers up here to fill in the blanks to make the number sentence true. 1, 1.021, 0.8989. Then you're supposed to take the numbers that are in down here and place them in the box. The product is less than the box number. The product is greater than the box number. Here are the numbers that you were using. So then down here it says explain. When it says explain, you have to use words. In the first column, the box number is multiplied by a scaling factor less than 1. So the products will be less than the original factor. Yes, you need to be able to write that. In the second column, the box number is multiplied by a scaling factor greater than 1. So the products will be greater than the original factor. Have to be able to write that. All right. Then we have, you're supposed to use these little sentence frames to fill in the blank. Slightly less because 0.988 is slightly less than 1. Slightly more because 1.05 is a little more than 1. A lot less because 0.013 thousandths is a lot less than 1. Then a lot more than because 9.89.001 is a lot more than 1. Almost 1,000. Slightly less than because 0.911 is a little less than 1. So that is how you needed to answer those problems. Okay, I'll pull this up so you can see it all together. How did you do? Are you able to articulate what we're doing and why? Then on the back side, I didn't solve anything. I drew a picture. Dakir's bean sprout is the longest because it is slightly more than 1 times the length of Teo's. Carson's bean sprout is the shortest because it is a little less than 1 times the length of Teo's. So however you want to put that, just show it to show the longest and the shortest. Okay? Then I answered the question and I gave an example. Oh, because it says to give an example. So greater than 1. So 3.14 times 1.2 is going to give you a number greater than what you originally started with, right? That original factor. So 3.768 is greater than 3.14. Using the same number, 3.14 times a number that's less than 1 gives you a number less than 1. You end up with 2.669. 2.669 is less than 3.14. Remember, this I just made up. You were supposed to give an example. You didn't have to use, you could have used something much smaller if you wanted to, or something easier. But as long as you can prove and show that you understand the concept that we're working with, comparing the product to the original, your original factor based on scaling. All right, that'll do it for lesson 23, the debrief. Hopefully you are ready to take on that homework.